Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So we have a public holiday in Victoria coming up. That's Tuesday the 7th of November for Melbourne Cup Day. So it should be my writing here, shouldn't I? Anyway, that's going to have a slight impact on the service that you receive from Bullion Now. So we will be closed. The shop will be closed on the 7th of November. Our phone lines will be closed on the 7th of November. No one will be answering emails on that day. So there'll be very little correspondence going out on that day. The bigger impact though is on our shipping, because obviously one of our main shipping days is the Tuesday. So nothing will go out on the Tuesday and you'll find all the couriers slow down by one day. So if you're expecting products next week, just give it an extra day or two to work its way through the system, because it is going to take that extra day or two. All right, hope you have a really great long weekend if you're in Victoria, and maybe you've managed to squeeze that Monday off as well from your boss if he's generous. And you've made it a 4-day weekend. If not, I hope it's just a great day watching the horse races and doing whatever you're doing. All right, that's it for now. We'll talk again soon. See ya.